Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Kraken World Easy Guide. Open the game and head to Events, then locate the Kraken World node to start the encounter. Focus on upgrading your ship and crew to meet recommended power thresholds before attempting the fight. Use bait and timing to trigger spawn windows and coordinate with allies for better drops. Stay patient and track event timers to maximize rewards and repeatability. Before you jump in, get everything organized so you can focus on the fight. Upgrade key components and equip consumables that increase survivability and damage. Assign clear roles to your team so there is no confusion during the encounter. Monitor spawn timers and pick a window when other players are active to boost spawn odds. Keep your loadout flexible to adapt to different Kraken phases and reward types. During the fight, identify and target the Kraken's weak points to interrupt dangerous abilities and shorten the battle. Use movement, cover, and positioning to minimize area damage and keep your crew healthy. Time your high cooldown abilities for phase transitions to maximize burst damage and secure faster clears. Communicate clearly with teammates about bait placement and focus targets to ensure smooth execution and consistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.